Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to manage site permissions in Google Chrome. So let's get started with the video. So once you're on the Google Chrome browser, you need to go and click on three lines that you will see at the upper right side, and post that you need to go to the settings. So once you're on the settings, here you will see an option of privacy and security under settings. And at the last, you will see an option of site settings. So basically here you can control all the permissions for the sites that you have given. You can watch it here. For example, if you click on location, you can see here all the sites for which you have allowed the location. You can see your location and access to it. Here you can give the default behavior of the site. You need to expand all the requests, collapse all requests. You can choose it according to your need. Same as you have the permission for camera, microphone, notifications, embedded contents. Here you can click on additional permissions, and here you will see all the permissions that you can allot to a particular website. If you want to add one, you can do that as well. So this is how you can manage the site settings. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.